Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Now we are going to start next lecture of chapter number 5. Our first topic is inverse selection. And inverse selection means we can change the current selection of an image and select the image part and delete the unselected part of the picture. And this command is present in the select when we click the select option like this. When we click the select option, a drop down menu appears. Select the inverted selection as you want and the selected image get inverted like this. This is the example of inverted selection. First, select green color and select fill with color option. Fill green color in the background like this. Draw a board as shown. Now click select. A drop down menu appears in image group. Select and click free from selection option as shown in figure. Select the board. After select the board, click select or invert selection. Select and invert selection. After this, press delete key and see the image. The unselected text or image gets deleted. Now we are going to learn how can we cut an image. First, highlight the definition of cut. The cut option is used to remove a part of the drawing like this. Now we are going to start. How can we cut the text or image? First step is select the part of drawing which you want to cut by using the select option in image group. After this, click on cut option. The selected text or portion will get removed from the figure. Now we are going to learn how to copy an image. First, highlight the definition of copy. The copy option is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected part of the drawing or image. To copy a part of image, follow the given step. First one is select a part of image which you want to copy. After select the part of image, click on copy option. After this, click the paste option from this group. The copied option or portion will get pasted on the left corner of the paint window. This image is copied. Similarly, you can also paste a new picture in your drawing which is stored in your computer. To paste an image from your computer, follow the given step. First one is click on paste from option in the paste command. After this, a window appear on your screen. Select and click the image or picture which you want to paste. After selecting the image, click on open, and the selected picture will get pasted in the Paint window. Now we discuss about View tab. View tab contains some command like zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in is used to see the image in a bigger size. After click the view option, in zoom group, zoom options appear: zoom in, zoom out 100%. Click zoom in. It make your text bigger in size. And zoom out option, this command is the opposite to the zoom in. It reduces the size of the image. Zoom out command is used to see the image in a smaller size. And 100%, this option is used to set the image in normal size. Next one is rulers. This command is present in the show or hide group of the view tab. When you click on this command, the rulers will appear on your drawing. Grid line. This command also present in show or hide group of view tab. When we click on this command, the grid lines will appear on your drawing. Full screen command is present in display group of the view tab. Display group, full screen. When we click the full screen, the picture appears on whole screen of the monitor.